Also, I'm trying to do a animation. So what I try to do is creating a art, okay? Create a lot of layers, okay, for my animation in Lumafusion, okay. So basically, what I'm doing right now is exporting out the layers for my animation. I export out layer by layers of each of the animation, so I can do my logo animation, okay. Always PNG, okay. But basically the same process like I have right now. I have 3 layers, okay. So right now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me zoom in out a bit. Okay, so I have the T, okay. I have the L, and I have the nuts, okay. So how do I animate all this to make into a logo? So basically a similar process to what we do. Let me add the orange color because that's my theme. Start with the end in mind. So that's roughly that I want, right? TimelapseNuts. That's roughly that I want to be everything on. So what you do, you go to the end. Start at the end first, easier. Okay, so you go there, start from there somewhere. Gotta move your playhead back to the beginning, okay? So you say you want your T somewhere there, your L somewhere here. So basically you gotta animate each element. Okay, so you go there, that's there, you're gonna move it back. So each layer you bring in, you gotta animate it. Okay, that will do me. Click out, the last part is the nuts. Okay, so start from bring it in, and I wanna bring this one in when it's done. Okay, play, it should work by now, okay? So play. Okay, TimelapseNuts. Okay. And you have your logo. Bring your logo in. There. Then you have your music. Pump it up a little bit better. And you have your logo somewhere. My name is Charles. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you find the content is valuable for you. Also, check out my playlist. There's a lot of great content there for you to check out. I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Bye.